Now I'm going to show you how to compile your Scrivener project for a printed book. So for a printed book, you need this in PDF format. And again, you're going to go to File, Compile. What I want to show you here is something that I actually learned just right now in creating this lesson for you. So what I had been doing is I had been exporting this to Microsoft Word, only to then go through and print that to PDF, selecting a custom paper size. Now, what I realized just about 30 minutes ago is you can actually do this directly in Scrivener, which for a lot of you would save you considerable amount of frustration because maybe you don't have Microsoft Office. So the rest of my class, again, doesn't require you to have Word or the Office suite in there. So for those of you that don't have Word, let me just show you how you can do this directly in Scrivener. Again, the main point here is what you're trying to do. You're trying to not only print it to PDF, but of the right size. So depending on the size of your book, again, my books are 6x9 and 5x8, so that's really important. So what we're looking at here is the page settings. And under paper size, it starts with letter, but you can actually select custom. And this is where you put in your width. So again, if we're doing, I think I had like 5x8. So you can click on that. And then you get to set your margins. Now, in looking at my book, because it's already such a small book, I make this smaller. So the left and right hand margins are only, I make them 0.5 inches. So we do that. Top and bottom, again, kind of up to you. And again, what I learned using this process is that it seems like you have a limited amount of space for what goes at the top of each page. So I changed this such that it would fit. My whole entire title, which is how to turn conferences into powerful business building opportunities. I'm not sure if you can fit that in, or I should say that I wasn't able to fit it in using this process. I was able to fit it in using Word and then PDF. But again, in this case, let's just do it this way. So you can type this in. So for here, again, you do want the table of contents, so that's important. And again, I'm just going to step through these in case you're going to repeat after me, but I don't recall changing any of this. So we got that. And of course, you can pause the video if you need to look at what this says. We got that. And again, this is the important one. So again, where you align this, I think it starts by aligning right. So you can, now I'm going to go ahead and click compile. It'll ask you where. Again, you probably want to name this with the name of your book. So there we go. And of course, this isn't the Kindle format, so it's going to be PDF. I'm going to save that. And it's done. So just so you see what it actually did, let me go ahead and open it for you. Let's go back and open the right one. Here we go. So this is listed at 50 pages. I'm just stepping through so you could see roughly what it would look like.